Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the topic that how to avoid negativity. First of all, we have to know what really the negative means. Each of us want to be very positive in our life, but in spite of that we are not able to be positive because the reason due to which we are not able to be positive is the lack of knowledge of negativity. We are unable to differentiate between positive and negatives. What are the positives? What are the negatives? Hardly we know. And wherever we read, wherever we listen, the people used to say that always be positive. Always behave positively. Think positively. Work positively. But nobody tells that what really positive means, what actually the positive is, or what is negative one. So it is same like that. We keep saying that I have to think positive, I have to be positive, I have to react positive, but in spite of all this thought process, we still believe in negative way. So first of all, to know the positive, one should have the idea of negative. Because the enemy from which we are running, from which we have to be apart, we should have the proper knowledge about our enemy, from which we have to maintain distance. So if we are avoiding the negativity, then we should have proper knowledge. What is negative? Only by knowing the negative things, only by having understanding of the negativity, we have a strong willpower, we have determination and courage to avoid the negativity. And unless and until we have no any idea about negativity, then we can't avoid it. So knowing is only a solution to avoid the negativity. And avoiding the negativity is itself is to behave positively. Means if you know the negative, again you become positive. Because you will not behave. If you have proper knowledge about negativity, you are not going to behave in that fashion. Then ultimately automatically you become positive one. So no need to think about that whether my action, whether my words, whether my thought process is positive or not. So it is better to know the negative first. Then after we will, in some other presentation, I will also talk about what is positive. But of course, by knowing the negatives, anybody who will know, he has proper knowledge about the positive. So first of all, starting with the what is negative. Negative means the things, the thought process or the behavior or the reading, writing, saying the things which has no any public output. No any public output means we can't say to other people that what I was thinking. Maybe one or two people I can share. But if I have been told by somebody else that you have to share with each and every people what you was thinking, then you will feel ashamed while sharing those things. In the same matter, the negative is also that whatever you are doing, if you can't share it with your elder one or with your smaller one, then that is negative. Again, if you are watching something and again you are unable to share it with somebody else, that somebody asks you what you are watching and you change the content, you change the name, you change the data for the sake of replying, then that was the negative thing. So negative, the first criteria of the negative is that it is personal one. It is not a public nature. It has no public nature. So that is negative. And when negativity is in personal nature, you can't behave positive in the public nature or public way. Whenever you will behave, the negativity will be there in your behavior. So this was the identification of negativity or negative things. The duration of negative is very short one. Again, the next point that is very important. The duration of the negatives, the duration of negatives are very short one, but in spite of that, the thrills and the sensation related to those negative things are very strong. But the positives have not so much thrill and sensation, but in spite of that, their effect are in longer way, and they have the power to mold the future. Negative have no any power to mold your future. They will draw you back. They will inhibit your thinking process. They will inhibit your visualization. You will immersed in the negative things in so much manner that you will keep enjoying in those things and you will forget about the world. You will think that nothing is better than this. No any option is there better than this. And you will keep doing, keep acting in the same fashion day by day, and you will once realize that the months and the year has been passed and you are not able to do whatever you were thinking about, or you are not able to perform on that level on which you can perform. So negativity is not only to make the people cut off from the public life. Negativity is also to inhibit our future course of action. The negativity creates the myopic vision in which you will not able to visualize the things as it is. You will not able to visualize the reality. Why for this thing is, why for this thing happens, and what are the alternate of this thing. So your decision power, your action power, your contemplation power, your analysis power, your drawing back the conclusion, each and everything will suffer due to this negative activity. And of course, once more, let me remind you that these negative things can be related to your food habit, thought habit, behavior habit, talking habit, and action habit. It can be anywhere, not necessarily only with one purpose or one stage. It can be at the various stage. But next question from this question arises that is any person or any individual is having not a negative quality or are not composed of negative things? To this point, my answer is that each and every individual has negativity in them. Someone has bit greater, someone has bit lesser. And positive also changes to the negative. For example, if we have worked very hard, then the positive is that our outcome will be very good. Our labor is very good. But the negative factor is that we will able to give less time to our family. So it is impossible that positive will remain cut off from the negative. Both will be there, but it is upon you, it is your power, it is your own willpower that you are able to depict the negative in your inner side and positive in the outer side. So the next criteria related to the negative things is that the nature of the negativity is inner one. Always you will realize negativity in your inner self. And if you have power, then you can change that negativity into the positive one. And that positive will reflect in your performance, in your working, in your lifestyle, in your thinking process, in your behaving purpose, in your relationship, in your friendship, in the manner with how you are talking, in the manner how you are taking decision. So altogether I can say that knowing the negatives only, you can become positive in your life. And if you want to avoid the negativity, then the only option is that you have to engage yourself minimum in those activity which has the power and capacity to produce negativity in you. Either it is fooding habit, either it is behaving habit, either it is talking habit, either indulging in some sort of action which has the power to produce negativity. You have to avoid. Or if you are not able to avoid it, then you have to minimize it. Minimize it to such a quotient so you can get you can get rid of it through your positives. It means if 1 cup of tea is negative to you, it causes acidity or anxiety in you, then the method to balance is that if you are taking 1 cup of tea, then if you are workout for 1 hour or 2 hours, then that much quantity is enough to balance your this negative act. So in this way also you can balance the negativity in your life. Negativity always appear in the life, but by action and reaction we are able to balance it. So this is also methodology, and we used to do this thing, but without knowing. Our unconscious mind has a powerful techniques and tools to manage the all negativity, and at last we manage it. Any negative happens in our life, we used to manage those negative, and we used to draw positive from it. That if this thing happens, then it is happens for the good. That particular line is enough to convert the negativity into positivity. So this was some of the points, some of the lessons related to the negativity, and knowing only is to avoid the negativity in the life. Now various tools can be applied. If some negative information is coming from the television, avoid seeing it. If some negative things are coming from newspaper, avoid reading it. Read only positive things, or escape reading those articles, those news which are negative in nature. If some negative things are coming from your WhatsApp or some your social friends, social sites, then avoid seeing it. Avoid getting used to those content. If some negative things are coming by your discussing with your friend or your family member, try to change the topic, try to change the point. So there are various ways, there are various methods. By giving time to yourself, you can also minimize the negativity. While practicing yoga, while practicing dhyan, while practicing sadhana, while doing exercise, aerobics, dance, music, some creating something, writing, poem, novel, story, this all can help you to get rid of those negative environment or negative things. And once the quotient of negative will minimize and quotient of positive will increase, then ultimately you will feel the pulse in your life. You will start realizing that how you were caught in this negative situation and now how you are feeling lighter compared to the earlier life. So there should be a proper method that whenever you want, you can change the quotient. And you will be the driving force behind your life, nobody else. First, these qualities were the driving force of your life, but now you are driving force. Whenever you want, you decide whether I have to behave negative or positive. So first of all, you have to command over the negative things. Then after, you can utilize it in proper way, with balanced way. An art of balancing and art of using the negativity is also the art of success. So in next video, I will talk more about these things. But up to now, it is over, I think. And again, we will meet with some more interesting topic like this. So till then, bye-bye.